Is back when I was a wild young cowboy with more nerve and common sense, I was setting my horse one day and I needed to hold my hands free. So I remember that Rooster handled that, and so I clamped the reins between my teeth. Yeah, I figured I could have. Mighty impressive image, just like old John Wayne himself. Did you know that a horse's head is stronger than your teeth? Oh, it is. That horse threw his head down and took the reins with it, like to have ripped my teeth and jaws right out of my hand. Boy, that hurt. Took a month for my teeth to tighten back up in my jaws again. They just kind of hang there loose like piano keys. They can play a little tune in the window below. Yeah, I'd be out there working with someone and they'd stop, listen. Do you hear piano music? No, just the wind blowing through my teeth. In a pretty end. So the lesson here is don't clamp the reins between your teeth. Even if John Wayne did. I just got to thinking about that. I figured